The roasted beans now enter a precision cracking system that breaks them apart and exposes the valuable cocoa nibs inside. Controlled airflow separates the lightweight cocoa shells from the heavier nibs, leaving behind the essential chocolate-making ingredient. Before grinding, the cleaned nibs pass through another precision inspection to ensure only the best material continues. The purified nibs are crushed and ground until their natural cocoa fats begin to release. After intensive grinding, the cocoa nibs become a smooth, rich cocoa mass, known as chocolate liquor. A powerful hydraulic pressing system separates the cocoa's natural fat from its concentrated cocoa solids.
The extracted cocoa butter is carefully filtered and temperature controlled before it becomes part of the final chocolate recipe.
The separation is complete. Valuable cocoa butter moves toward chocolate formulation, while cocoa solids are refined into fine cocoa powder for other chocolate products. The transformation continues as cocoa liquor and purified cocoa butter are precisely combined to create the foundation of milk chocolate. Precisely measured sugar and milk solids are added to create the signature creamy sweetness of milk chocolate. Powerful mixing systems combine every ingredient into one rich chocolate mass. The blended chocolate now moves into precision refining, where its texture will become dramatically smoother. A precision 5-roll refiner dramatically reduces particle size, creating the silky texture expected from premium chocolate. The refined chocolate is tested at microscopic scale to verify the particle size required for a smooth melt. Now the refined chocolate enters the conching stage, where controlled mixing and heat develop its smooth texture and deeper flavor. After intensive refining and conching, the chocolate reaches the smooth, glossy consistency needed for the final bars. Before molding, the chocolate passes through a precisely controlled tempering process to create the right crystal structure, shine, and snap.
Computer-controlled temperature adjustments stabilize the chocolate, so every finished bar develops a smooth surface and clean snap. Meanwhile, every mold is cleaned, inspected, and conditioned to ensure flawless chocolate bar formation. Now the perfectly tempered chocolate is deposited into hundreds of molds with millimeter-level precision. Controlled vibration removes trapped air and ensures the chocolate reaches every corner of the bar mold.
A precision leveling system removes every trace of excess chocolate, while returning the recovered material to production.
The molds now enter a controlled cooling tunnel, where the liquid chocolate slowly solidifies into perfect chocolate bars.
After cooling, the molds are inverted and the finished chocolate bars release. Perfectly defined shapes and polished surfaces.
Every chocolate bar now passes through high-speed vision systems that inspect its shape. Precision scales and laser sensors verify the weight and dimensions of every bar before packaging.
Before wrapping, robotic systems orient every bar in exactly the same direction. Meanwhile, premium food-grade film is prepared for the high-speed wrapping operation. At incredible speed, each chocolate bar is tightly wrapped to protect its shape, flavor, and freshness. The wrapper is sealed, then every package receives its production and traceability information. One final automated inspection confirms the package is perfect before robotic systems pack the finished bars into shipping cartons. From roasted cocoa beans to glossy chocolate bars, refining, molding, these bars are ready to leave the factory, chocolate lovers everywhere.